To wind a bobbin, we're going to take our linen in our right hand, and I'm just going to bend the end of that over and grip it between my index finger and my thumb, just to make a little loop like this. And then I'm going to place that loop on the shaft of my bobbin, and I'm going to start winding away from my body. So I go over the top, under the bottom, away from me. Okay, you can either wind as much linen on one spool as you want and then measure out that same amount and cut the thread to wind the next one, or if you want to fill the first bobbin up and wind off of that one, you can do that too. There will be occasions when you don't want to waste the thread, or if you have broken a thread, that you'll want to tie a knot to join the two pieces together, and that is perfectly fine. Just make sure that you roll the knot onto your spool a little bit and work it in as it comes up, and it'll be a little bit easier that way. Now I'm going to switch my bobbin over to my right hand side, and you can see that I have my linen in my left hand. I'm going to come around the outside of my thumb, between the thumb and the index, and I'm going to go underneath that linen with the top of my bobbin and pull my thumb out, and this makes a little connecting knot, and that makes it so that my bobbin does not unwind while we're using it. And it also allows so that when I need more linen, I can just roll that bobbin like this and it will come off. Okay? And then to show you what I mean, by taking out a little bit of the linen like this, and then you can clip it. And we're going to do the same thing here. Between thumb and index, make a small loop. Pick up your next bobbin, put the loop on the shaft of your bobbin, and go away from you. So I'm winding over the top, underneath towards me, and over the top, so that I'm going away from me as I go over the top of the bobbin. If this isn't a comfortable way for you to wind the bobbins, then you can switch hands after you get the direction that you're going and just roll it in your fingers like this. And that is a lot faster to do. So wind it however is comfortable with you, but when you start out the bobbins, make sure you do it as I described so that you get the direction in going in the right way. And here we go again. We've got another bobbin wound. Go around your thumb. Go underneath that little loop that's on your thumb. Release your thumb from the loop, and then you've tied off your second bobbin. So that is one pair. And you're going to do this with each set of your bobbins. The first little practice sheet that we're going to do, I'm going to have you start with 20 to 22 bobbins. We'll see how it looks with 20.